Hi guys, today we're going to replace windshield wipers in Hyundai Venue. First of all, lift the wiper arm and put a rag approximately in this area. This is where the wiper arm could potentially go in case if it falls down after you remove the blade. And to remove the blade you need to find this latch and push it, and at the same time pull the wiper down. Then it comes out, and as I said, this is where you rest the wiper arm, and we'll show you the latch that I was talking about. Here it is. This is where you have to push to release the blade. Now we are going to install the new blade. The process is exactly the same, but in the reverse order. Put the blade on and push it up. We'll quickly show the other side. The idea is exactly the same. Again, find the latch and pull the blade down like this, and it's up. Again, it's a good idea to use the rag and rest the blade on top. Install the new one. And this side is done. As for the rear wiper, first you have to lift the arm like this, and then you have to turn the wiper blade, and then it will come off. It's quite simple. This is how it holds in place. Once you have removed it, you can install a new one in the same way. And it's done.